I recently invested in a brand new grill and I want this to last. So I am thrilled that Proud Company just gifted me their Q Swiper, as this is exactly the kind of brush I want to use to keep my grates looking good and staying clean for a long time to come. This is a really cool design too. Let me show you exactly what you get here. To start off with, this is your grill brush. Very different than your standard long-handled grill brush. It has kind of a nice rubbery handle to it instead of one of those long handles. Feels really nice. It has a stainless steel scraper on one end that has little pointy corners, great ways to get in all the little nooks and crannies. And then the main part is this brush portion right here, which is kind of like steel wool. But you're not going to be using this alone. You're actually going to be adding a Q Swiper cleaning pad to it. And it will wrap around and hook into these little points on each side. Now this is very cool because it really is designed for all types of grates, from stainless steel to porcelain grates. It really should work on everything. And they are basically pre-moistened wipes that you use on the grill before you heat it up. So this is a way to clean it before you even turn it on. So let's see how well it works. Now my grates are not too bad, which I actually think makes for a better test. But you can see that there is still a fair amount of grime on them, especially here. So we're gonna see if this grill brush can take care of all of that. Now I am not gonna use the scraper blade on my porcelain grates, as it's recommended to not do that. So I'm just gonna use the brush on my grates. If you have a stainless steel grate, or you're doing it on a section that's stainless steel, you can certainly use this to scrape off any excess before you do a real scrub. So now I'll put on one of these cleaning wipes. Before I do want to point out that I was trying to figure out what they are made of. And all I can really see is right here. It says all ingredients are recognized food contact friendly and include water, natural cleaning agents derived from corn and coconut, alcohol, and preservatives. So these should be very clean. And when I pull them out, they don't really have a scent. And they actually have a kind of rubberized texture. All these little dark spots are rubbery. So that's really cool. I'm gonna stick this on and see how well this scrubs. Now I'm gonna guess at this point I should probably put on a new wipe. So that is something to keep in mind. You may go through a few wipes with these, but considering the other scrub brushes I've used, this is actually not very wasteful, and I feel really good about using this. And it has done a really good job for a first pass. The main corner I was focusing on was this left corner here, and it really did a beautiful job cleaning that up. It takes a little bit of elbow grease, but I also really like that I am not just waiting and burning fuel to get this hot before I clean. So many scrub brushes rely on the grill being hot for you to clean them. So I love that I can use this before I turn on the grill to really get it where I need to without burning all that fuel. It just takes a little elbow grease and it does a really beautiful job. My grates are definitely cleaner. I think I can get them even better if I do another scrub. So I'll do that real quick. But so far, I will be using this moving forward. It's a much cleaner process to me than the sponge scrub brushes, as those sponges can get so gross. And then the metal brushes all have their own issues as well. So this is a very cool solution to a never-ending problem, and I'm really liking what I'm seeing.